In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the bad print quality of your HP DeskJet 2900 series printer. So this will fix all the problems regarding the print heads, ink that is not printing properly, if the print head is jammed, and if the text is not clear, any of the ink is missing. You can just follow this process. First we have to load the paper, so make sure you have at least 2 to 3 papers in the paper tray. Now go to your smartphone. You can also use your MacBook or laptop and open the HP app. Go to the HP Smart app and make sure your printer is showing up there. Now we have to start the process. First we will go for the printer's diagnostic, that is here. Go to the diagnostics and click on the print quality tools. Here we have to first click on the view print quality tools. Let's do the cleanup first, that is cartridge cleaning. Click on the clean icon. You will see options level 1 and level 2. Don't go for level 2, it takes a lot of ink. We'll only do level 1. So this will take less than 1 minute. Cleaning is done and it is printing the quality report. So right now we can see the ink has started to work, so it has worked in the one attempt. It may take few more attempts in case it's not showing up anything here. So once it is done, we will go back. You can also repeat it, click clean again. So I'm just going to click on the done. Next is to do the alignment. Click on the align, that is cartridge alignment. It will print the alignment page. So this is the second step. If you follow both of the steps, printer will improve the print quality. Most of the issues will be sorted out within 2 steps. And in case both of the steps fails, then you can just replace the ink cartridges, because sometimes on the printer display panel it displays ink cartridges full, but sometimes the ink is dried inside or the print head is totally clogged. In that case we need replacement. So alignment page is being printed, so we just have to scan this page. So open the lid, take it and place it down on that corner, and then go to the screen, press OK. It will start the scanning. Scanning is done. Again click on the OK button. Now we can go back to the home screen. So this way we can fix most of the issues regarding the printing of this printer. Hopefully this will help you to fix your printer. Thanks for watching.